Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yahu right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to change your Photoshop theme. Very easy tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign into this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is simply open up your Photoshop. After you open up your Photoshop, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right there where you have edit, click on edit tab, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here where you have preferences, and then next thing you need to do is to simply go to interface, just like so, and this is going to pump up. Right here, you can decide to make it dark color, which is the first one right here. So select the dark color, everything will turn to dark, just like what you see right here. If you want to set it to be light, so it's going to be light. If you want to set it to be gray, select on gray. If you want it to be white, you can select white. Everything depends on the theme that you want in Photoshop. So in this tutorial, I'm going to simply put it in dark theme. So once you're done, simply come to the top right there and hit on OK. Boom. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply change your Photoshop theme. Very easy tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.